Hi, welcome to Cooking with Ruby. I'm Ruby and welcome to my kitchen. So today we'll be making Mongolian beef. It's very yummy and very popular. So let's get started. We have less than a pound of beef and we are going to marinate with some half teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, half teaspoon of cornstarch, mix good. This is done. First we are going to slice our green chilies, diagonal, little bit bigger. And I have one nice red sweet pepper. We have some green onions. We will make some bigger pieces, this much big pieces. We are going to use everything green and white both. So I have my preheated skillet. On my skillet I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of oil. We are going to saute our veggies. So here I am going to add a teaspoon of garlic and a teaspoon of ginger paste. Take out our veggies. This is done in a plate. Now in same pan we are going to add 1/4 cup of chicken stock or beef broth, whatever you like, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a teaspoon of garlic chili paste. Give a good stir. We are going to make slurry out of a teaspoon of cornstarch, maybe about a minute, and you will see our sauce is thick. This is right consistency, see? Because this sauce will cook in the meat also. We are going to take out our sauce. So now it's time to cook our meat. It's been sitting 10 minutes. So first we are going to add a tablespoon of oil, and our flame is high and the skillet is really hot, and now we are going to add our meat. So now we can turn the pieces to cook other side. See, our meat is completely brown and cooked good. So now we are going to add our veggies and our sauce. So this is it. We'll turn off our stove. So see, we are done. Maybe in 15-20 minutes everything is done. Yes, this is Mongolian perfect beef. So let's try with my sticky rice. It's very yummy. As always, if you like my recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. One thing more, share my videos because sharing is caring. Love you all. Bye.